You're watching All Things Antonia. I hope you subscribe. Hi you guys, welcome back to All Things Antonia. My name is Antonia, and in today's video I have another Grove collaborative haul for you guys. I believe this haul is going to be a little bit smaller. Honestly, I've had this for quite a while. This order came in weeks ago, but I'm just now getting around to opening it, and I thought that I would share my order with you guys like I have in the past. If you haven't seen my previous Grove collaborative hauls, then I will link them either above in the info card, so you can just click on that. It'll take you straight to the video. Or if you like to read the description boxes for more information, I will put a copy of the link to my previous videos in the description box for you. So I'll go ahead and get started. I'm excited to see what I ordered because honestly I don't remember. So it's gonna be a surprise to both of us. If you're interested, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, so as per the usual, their packages always come nicely packaged in a nice sturdy box. And this one actually has a little note on top that says, "Thank you, Antonia." And so that's nice and sweet. I definitely do appreciate good customer service. And I have had nothing but good customer service since I have started placing orders with them. So the first thing that I see on top here is just a pack of the walnut and cellulose scrubber sponges, and you get 2 in a pack. I really like these a lot. I have ordered these before. They came in my first order that I placed with Grove Collaborative, so I did pick up more of those. And then once we get down into the box, there's this thick cardboard packing paper. So everything does come packaged very nicely, so that your items arrive safely. Okay, so the first thing that I see here is this microfiber all-purpose cloth, and I did pick this up in the gray color, so I thought it'd be a nice neutral color for the kitchen. It's not like a, you know, I think they also had lavender and maybe like a mint green color to choose from, but I did go with the nice gray color. It's actually called Slate Gray, and it is a 2-pack of these microfiber towels. It says use on hard surfaces with water or any of your favorite natural cleaners, machine wash warm and tumble dry low. So yeah, so it has their little logo on the side pocket here as well. So this is super duper cute. I think this is an item that I got for free because you guys know that if you watch my previous Grove videos, it's a good sized little towel here. But yeah, if you watch my previous videos, I always mention that you tend to get a lot of free items with your order, or at least one free item with every order for some reason or another. So I appreciate that very much. And then the next item that I have here is this bathroom cleaner. And again, everything comes packaged very nicely. They actually tape down like your liquid products and things like that, so the top doesn't come off. I'm gonna go ahead and take this sticker off here so you can see the label. Okay, so this is actually a repurchase for me. I have ordered this before, and this is just the Method bathroom cleaner, and I got it in the spearmint fragrance. Now this I have used before. My bottle is probably down here. It's almost empty, and I really like it to use my to clean in my bathroom, as far as like the sink area and like some of the like in the bathtub, the shower. I'm sorry y'all, my thoughts are all over the place. Okay, so it says that this is a bathroom cleaner, and it says to disinfect, you can spray the surface until thoroughly wet, let stand for 10 minutes, and then wipe clean. It also says that you can use it to sanitize non-food contact hard, non-porous surfaces. So yeah, but I just stick to using it in the bathroom. But I really like it, so I did repurchase this. Okay, so these are some facial towelettes, and these are the purifying facial towelettes with white tea and calendula. You get 30 wipes in here, and these were another free item as well. These are by Rooted Beauty, and it says they're formulated with free radical fighting white tea and calming calendula. Our towelettes remove dirt, oil, and makeup for clean, refreshed skin. They are hypoallergenic, dermatologist tested, and fragrance free, paraben free, sulfate free, and phthalate free. So that is a plus. Very excited to use these. I always love a good makeup wipe. So yeah, I like to use makeup wipes to remove my makeup and then go in with the cleanser to cleanse my actual skin, not just use a cleanser to wash off my makeup. So, okay, and so the next item that I purchased is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day toilet bowl cleaner, and the bottle just looks like this. And I picked this one up because the last toilet bowl cleaner I ordered from Grove was the Method brand, and that one was okay, but I decided to try this one because I feel like it could be a little bit better. This one is made with plant-derived ingredients, natural lactic acids, and natural essential oils. I did get it in the lemon verbena scent, as you can see here. Okay, and then the last product that I ordered is the wrinkle releaser, and it just looks like this. Back it says, no iron, no problem. Our wrinkle releaser removes folds and static in fabric for sleek clothes in no time. The directions say to shake the bottle before use, spray on wrinkled area of your clothes, then use your hands to pull the fabric and smooth it out. And then you just place your clothing on a hanger to dry. It's safe for most fabrics, not recommended for use on silk, rayon, or 100% polyester, but it says to always test on a small area of the fabric before using it all over. But I thought this would come in handy as something to use on those mornings when you're getting ready for work and you pull out your shirt that you had in mind to wear and it's wrinkled and you don't have time to pull out the iron because you need to get dressed and get out the door. So yeah, I feel like this would be something you can just, you know, go ahead, spray it on, and while you're doing something else, the wrinkles can be falling out of your clothing, and when it's time to get dressed, then it's fine. So yeah, I'm excited to try this out. It does say that it's free and clear, so there's no fragrance. I'm not sure if this did come in fragrances. I'm not for sure. Maybe I'll check the website and I will post it somewhere along the screen over here, along with the price of this, because I believe that it was only like $49. I believe it was only $4.95 or somewhere around in there, if I'm not mistaken. But you do get 8 fluid ounces. So I'm excited to try this and see how well it works. Okay, you guys, so those are all of the items that I ordered in my recent Grove Collaborative haul. If you have any questions about the Grove Collaborative, I will link some more information about them in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. Also, I will be linking my previous Grove Collaborative hauls so you can see some other products that I'm currently using from the Grove Collaborative. Honestly, I will say I am enjoying everything that I've ordered so far. So yeah, I'm super excited about these products. No, this video is not sponsored. I did purchase these products with my own money, but I do have a referral link. So if you would like to take a look at their website, they also have a new app that is available for download. If you go through my referral link, then you will get 5 free products with your first order. So be sure to check that out. I will link it down below as well. And again, if you have any questions, you can leave that down in the comment section. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.